Hey guys, so I just arrived at the office and I look super shitty right now because I haven't applied my makeup yet. I'm about to apply my makeup, but I'm not feeling really good. I'm having more allergies right now. And yeah, well, maybe I could like do my daily makeup routine right now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna apply my makeup right now, so please watch it, guys. Like, for sure the office is really cold. That's why I'm using like jacket. And it looks so shitty. I only use brows, but it looks so ugly, my brows right now. And also lipstick and concealer, and that's it. And right now I'm gonna wipe up all of this because it looks so shitty. I hate when I like put on makeup but it doesn't look really good, or it looks like a disaster. So guys, this is my makeup routine, my daily makeup routine. And yeah, I know that I'm not a professional in doing makeup, but I just want to let you know that yeah, this is my makeup routine. So I finished my work and right now I'm going to wait for my Uber to pick me up. So waiting for my Uber to pick me up to the airport. And yeah, we're gonna see you guys later at the airport. Bye. So I'm about to leave, guys. Balik ya semuanya. Bye. Got my ticket and now I'm gonna find something to eat. Finally done. Oh iya, lupa KTP-nya. Udah nih mas ya? I'm so stupid, but yeah, I just want to let my mom know that I'm independent. I don't need my parents to escort me traveling. To be honest, guys, gue lagi nyari Indomaret or some mini market di sini tapi nggak ada. And it's so fucking hard to vlog and also do Snapchat and Instagram while vlogging. I'm not a good vlogger, but FYI, today, like, start from now, I'm gonna do like a legit vlog. So I'm gonna get some snacks before take off, and yeah, so here we go, guys.
done the check-in, and now I'm gonna find gate 13 and wait for like maybe 1.5 hours. And yeah, so stuffy. I have stuffy nose because of my allergies, and it's still there. I thought it would be gone, but no, it's still there. Ooh, cute. So here it is, guys, gate 13. Kira gue bakal dapet window, ternyata dapet aisle. Ya sudah lah ya. So good morning, guys. We're gonna have breakfast today, and I'm waiting for my brother to get his meals. I don't know what's the plan for today, but I hope it's so fun. Selamat makan. Hey guys, so we have arrived at Bagawan. I think the name is Bagawan. I forgot the name, but yeah. My brother is vlogging, guys, and this is the place where the 50,000 rupiah, like